Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making easy meatball recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. First, finely chop the carrot, mince the ginger into a fine paste, and chop the green onions. Cut the tofu into small cubes and mince the pork, placing it all in a bowl. Add 1 egg to the bowl, then add the minced ginger, chopped carrot, green onions, and tofu. Next, add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Pour in a suitable amount of cooking wine and soy sauce, and add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix everything thoroughly with chopsticks, then add a few drops of sesame oil to complete the filling, which should already be aromatic. Pour half a pot of oil into a pan and heat it to about 60% of its maximum temperature. Shape the meat mixture into balls approximately 2 centimeters in diameter with your hands and carefully place them into the pan to fry. Use a spatula to move them around so they cook evenly, frying until the surface is lightly golden, then remove them. Heat the oil to about 80% of its maximum temperature and fry the meatballs again until they are golden brown. Drain the excess oil and serve them on a plate. These fried meatballs are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, absolutely satisfying with every bite. Friends, you must try our easy meatball recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.